The ultimate speed demons, custom PC builds. At Millennium Group, we are the future of PC builds for your business needs. We offer custom PC builds for gaming, 3D workloads, and day-to-day business functions, whether at home or in the office. For any home or business needs, the Ion is the ideal computer. It will get your projects done with its features. 16 GB of RAM, 3200 MHz C16. 500 GB Samsung 970 EVO plus M.2 NVMe Gen 3. AMD R7 8-core Gen 3 processor. And much more. When you're looking for high performance in your home or office, look toward our Gravitons. Each Graviton includes 16 GB of RAM, 3600 MHz C16. 500 GB Western Digital SN850X M.2 NVMe Gen 4. AMD R7 8-core Gen 4 processor. And an AMD Radeon 5600 XT video card. Our streamlined Tachyons are beautiful machines, fully optimized for any gaming session or heavy workload. Our Tachyons will blow you away with their specs. Alienli 216 case. 32 GB of RAM, 3600 MHz C16. 1 TB Western Digital SN850X M.2 NVMe Gen 4. Intel 12th generation 12-core processor 700K series. Paired with an AMD Radeon 6650 XT video card. Our team has cultivated the ideal computer builds for whatever your needs may be. We always pay attention to the details and make sure your new PC is running at its best before it's yours. Experience the speed and efficiency of a Millennium Group custom PC build today.